Alright, so let's go through the numbers 1 through 10 in Nauruan. And as I said in a previous video for the Nauru introduction video, there's no standardized spelling or orthography for this, right? So there's not really one standardized spelling for the whole language. It's more like a mix of old and modern ways of spelling. So don't be surprised when you see something spelled one way but pronounced differently, because that happens a lot in Nauruan, and I don't know how the Nauruan people get by with that. They're talented. Um, I honestly, it blew my mind sometimes, but I'm gonna go through the numbers slowly, and again, just listen to how it's pronounced. Don't focus on how it's written. Okay, let's start with number one, and number one is aigua, aigua. Number two is aro, aro. Don't forget the R makes that r sound, the trilling kind of the trilled and rolled R. R. It's not like the American R where it's retroflexed, or the Chinese R, right, where it's like a r or a r, but it's a r. Okay. Aro. Three is aiju, right? Aiju. Four is ayok, ayok. Five is Aigia, Aigia, Aigia. And six is Ango, Ango. That O makes this O sound, right? Ango. Seven is Aya or Ayao, right? Aya or Ayao. Aya or Ayao. Eight is Oju, right? Oju. Nine is Ado, Ado, Ado. And 10 is Atay, 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 right? Again, don't freak out. I'm gonna go through all of them again and just listen. Don't pay attention to the spelling, okay? Aikwa, Aro, Aiju, Ayok, Aigia, Ango, Aya or Ayao, Oju, Ado, Atay. Okay, so that just kind of gives you a window of how Nauruan spelling and Nauruan pronunciation go hand in hand, okay? When you're learning the language, don't freak out, okay?